Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy, fun and totally stress-free. Today we are diving straight into A-Level Maths Year 2 Unit 1 Algebraic Methods Mixed Exercise question number 13, 14 and 15. I will show you step-by-step solution that even make the toughest math problem simple. So grab your pen and paper, let's solve it together, because by the end of this video, you will not just get the answer, you will actually understand it. Now question number 13 is find the values of constants a, b, c and d in the following identity. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x plus 2 equals x minus 2 into ax square plus bx plus c plus d. So we will solve this by division method. First of all, divide this by x minus 2. So x cube minus 6x square plus 11x plus 2. Divide this by x minus 2. So it will become x cube into x is x4. So to make x cube, we will multiply this by x square. So it will be x cube minus 2x square. Then change the old signs and give it the new sign. X cube minus x cube are cancel out. Minus 6x square plus 2x square will be minus 4x square plus 11x plus 2. Now x is multiplied by minus 4x. So it will become minus 4x square minus minus plus 8x. Now we will change the old signs and give it the new sign. 4x square minus 4x square are cancel out. 11x minus 8x are 3x. So 3x plus 2. Now we will multiply this by 3 plus 3. It will become 3x minus 6. So 3x minus 3x are cancel out and it will become plus 2 plus 6 will be 8. So the remainder is 8. Now we will write this in improper form. So by division we get quotient is x square minus 4x plus 3 and the remainder was 8 and divisor was x minus 2. So we will write this in the form of fraction. Then x minus 2 is multiplied by the quotient, that is x square minus 4x plus 3 and d is the remainder, that is 8. Now compare this equation 2 and 1. By comparing these two equations, we will easily find the value of a, b and c. So a is 1, b is minus 4, c is 3 and d is 8. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 14. Now here the question number 14. Show that 4x cube minus 6x square plus 8x minus 5 divided by 2x plus 1 can be write as in the form of ax square plus bx plus c plus d over 2x plus 5. You have to find the value of a, b, c and d. So you can see here the power of the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 1. The power of the numerator is greater than the power of the denominator. That's why this is an improper fraction. To solve an improper fraction, best method is by division. So write 4x cube minus 6x square plus 8x minus 5. So this is 2x plus 1. You have to make 4x cube. For this purpose, 2x is multiplied by 2x square. So it will become 4x cube. 2x square is multiplied by 1 gives 2x square. Now change the old signs and give the new sign. 4x cube minus 4x cube are cancel out. Minus 6x square minus 2x square is gives the minus 4x square. Minus 6x square minus 2x square gives minus 8x square. Then plus 8x. So to make minus 8x square, we will multiply this by minus 4x. So minus 8x square and minus 4x multiplied by plus 1 is minus 4x. minus 8x square plus 8x square are cancel out, plus 8x and plus 4x is 12x. So this will be 12x minus 5. Now to make 12x, we will multiply 2x by 6. So it will become 12x plus 6. Now change the signs. You get minus 5 minus 6 is minus 11. Now we will write in the form of quotient, that is 2x square minus 4x plus 6, and then remainder is minus 11 divided by 2x plus 1. So now compare both the equations, where a is 2, b is minus 4 and c is plus 6 and d is minus 11. So this is the answer. Now we will solve question number 15. Now in question number 15 you have x power 4 plus 2 divided by x square minus 1 equals ax square plus bx plus c plus d over x square minus 1. So we will solve this by division method, because this is an improper fraction, because power of the numerator is x raised to power 4 and denominator is x square. So x raised to power 4 plus 2 divided by x square minus 1. X square will be multiplied by x square to make x4. So x4, x square, it will be minus x square. Now change the signs, x4 minus x4, and this will be 2 plus x square. Then to make x square we will multiply this by 1. So get x square minus 1. Now change the old sign and give the new sign, you will get 3. So remainder is 3. We will write remainder here 3. These are cancelled out. Now write this in improper form. So this will be can be write as quotient, that is x square plus 1, then plus 3 by x square minus 1. Now compare both the values. We will get a equals 1, b equals 1, b is 0 because we have no pair of bx. X power 1 pair is not, and c is 3, c is 1 and d is 3. So this is the answer. Now these are the solutions of question number 13, 14 and 15. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve the remaining question of this exercise. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.